guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Small Tackle Wax Fishing. First drop down, caught this nice pike. He's probably 18, 19, maybe 20 inches. Very first drop, he drew some blood. But yeah, using a Swedish pimple, hopefully we can get some more and check back with you. Gonna get a length on him soon. Bye. Okay guys, so after that pike, I caught a nice perch. Probably not nice, you know, like 8 inches. Right after, on the Swedish pimple, which was a bit of a surprise to me. But yeah, so the tourney official is showing up.
I'll give it to you. It's bigger than the one we put yesterday.
Yeah, it's bigger than the last one.
Oh, you came in yesterday, right?
Yeah, I came in yesterday. This one's at least 2.5 inches. I don't think the perch is gonna do anything, but still.
Yeah, our biggest perch right now is 9 inches.
Oh, that's not that big.
Yeah, so.
What's your biggest pike?
26.
26. What's third place?
Third place, I think it's around 23.
Oh, so.
Well, it's bigger than yesterday.
Yeah.
Yesterday was 15 3/4.
Sorry? One of the tricks I learned in fishing wildlife.
Just back in the boat, and then you guys want to get a perch too?
Yeah, just in case.
Let's see how big he is.
Yeah. I'm thinking around 7.
Have you seen any decent pike today?
Pike, not so much. Of the one guy entered one in and it was 24.
Oh,
But nobody else has really entered much in.
okay, so that's a decent fish for the day.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on camera. Okay, people, we're going to release the perch. And there he goes. Now,
Let me see the pike.
here we go. The most anticipated, well, not really. Anyways, it's a nice pike. I'm happy with that. First drop, can't complain at all. It's amazing.
Bye-bye.
Here he goes. Down the hole he goes. He's gone. Well, stay tuned. We're gonna get some more. Yeah, I got something. It's a nice pike. There you go, guys. The tip up, not bad. So guys, as you can see, there's my pike. I'll get him on a bump board soon. He might qualify for tournament. He's a lot bigger than the last one. So yeah, let me get him on the bump board. Yeah, there it is. I'm on video, thank Dave.
The door's open.
I'm on video. He's a solid 18, much bigger. Okay, hopefully we can get the guys to measure it officially soon. And yeah, so there he is. First drop. Didn't show any characteristics of a fish either. Okay. Got one! What the heck? It's a monster catfish! This is my biggest by far! Dad, open the door. This slime ball needs to get in. Ugh! It's nasty and it's huge. God. This thing is fat. Slime ball. He's about 14. 14. Yeah, not even close to what I thought. But he's mega fat. Okay, I'm gonna get a weight on him. That's by far the fattest bullhead I've ever seen. I've seen bigger ones in the water, but I've never caught something, a bullhead this fat. I thought it was a pike. They put up a pretty good fight. What do you think? I'm thinking 2 pounds. Two and a half. Heck of a bullhead. Okay, I'm gonna let him go, since I don't like catfish. Oh yeah. There we go. Let him go.
Why are you putting him upside down?
Ah, whatever. He'll swim.
Just let him go.
See, he did a U-turn. There he goes. Fish on. Thank you, Day. Oh, there he is.
Oh yes. Oh
Pretty
yeah,
good.
that's a record for us. That's your biggest one yet.
Long and skinny, boys. Oh yeah. That's how we do it. Small tackle box fishing. We're legitimate. We catch fish.
That's at least 20.
Yeah, it's at least 20. So guys, just to fill you in, the third biggest fish for today is 22 inches. So we gotta try to beat 22
Not
inches.
today, in the tournament.
Yeah, in the tournament, 22 inches is the third biggest, so that's our goal. We're gonna be 22. The biggest is 28, I think. So I'm gonna turn this off and get the hook out.
You cannot only anything.
Okay. There we go. It's a nice perch on the jigging spoon. Not bad. Let's see. 6 inches. Not bad. Yeah, so that's Daddy's fish, first one of his day. And yeah, hopefully we can get some more.